Hello viewers, our topic today is surface areas and volume. Question 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 cm and diameter 1.4 cm, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. Cylinder whose height is 2.4 cm. Height of the cylinder is 2.4 cm and its diameter is 1.4 cm. Height of the cylinder is 2.4 cm, it is given. And diameter of the cylinder is 1.4 cm, this is also given. Now we have to calculate the radius of the cylinder. D by 2. Diameter value is 1.4, 1.4 by 2 is 0.7 centimeter. Solid cylinder height is 2.4 centimeter. Its radius is 0.7 centimeter. Here also radius is 0.7 centimeter. Radius of the conical part is also 0.7. Radius of the cone equal to radius of the cylinder and its value is 0.7 centimeter. Height of the cone is equal to height of the cylinder. So height of the cone is 2.4 centimeter. Height of the cone equal to height of the cylinder equal to 2.4 centimeter. 2.4 centimeter. Height of the cone is 2.4 centimeter. Now find the L slant height. Slant height equal to h square plus r square. According to Pythagoras theorem, square root of h square plus r square. This is hypotenuse. These are the other two sides. So L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. 2.4 square plus 0.7 square equal to 2.4 square value is 5.76 plus 0.7 into 0.7 is 49. Here one digit, here one digit. So place the point after two digits, 0.49. The value of 0.7 square is 0.49. Now add these two values, 6.25, that is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So slant height L is equal to 2.5 centimeter. To calculate the total surface area of the remaining solid. Conical cavity of same height and same diameter is hollowed out, which means remove this conical part. Remove this conical part from this solid. The conical cavity of same height and same diameter is hollowed out, which means remove this conical part from this solid. After removing the conical part, the remaining solid looks like this. Is how the remaining solid looks like after hollowing out the conical portion. Now we have to calculate the this portion, surface area of cone, this portion, surface area of cylinder, this portion, surface area of circle. This is the base of the cylinder. The base of the cylinder is a circle. So we have to find the area of the circle. Area of the circle pi r square. The base area of the cylinder is area of the circle pi r square. So total surface area of remaining solid, surface area of the cone, surface area of the cylinder, surface area of the base of the cylinder. Surface area of cone plus surface area of cylinder plus area of the base of the cylinder. Surface area of the cone is pi r L. Surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Area of the base of the cylinder pi r square. 22 by 7 into r value 0.7 into L value 2.5 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into r value 0.7 into height of the cylinder 2.4 plus 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7 0.1 0.1 22 into 0.1 is 2.2 into 2.5 plus 22 2 into 22 is 44 into 0.1 into 2.4 plus 22 into 0.1 is 2.2 into 0.7. 2.2 into 2.5 is 5.50 plus 44 into 0.1 is 4.4. Into 2.4 plus 2.2 into 0.7 is 1.56. 5.50 plus 10.56 plus 1.56. Adding these values, 17.60 centimeters square. TSA of remaining solid 17.60 centimeters square. (25 into 25 is 2.2 into 2.5 50 50 2 digits, 1 digit, 1 digit. So place the decimal point after 2 digits. 5.50. This one. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 1 digit. Here also 1 digit. So totally 2 digits. Place the decimal point after 2 digits. 1.54. 10.56. 1.54. 2.2 into 0.7 is 1.54. 10, 16, 6, 7, 17.60 centimeter square. So TSA of cone equal to 17.60 centimeter square. TSA of remaining cylinder, remaining solid. TSA of remaining solid is 17.60.